In this class, we will learn another important thing of English grammar, that is sentence, which is namely operation of sentence. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. We have already discussed about it in our previous class. Let's understand parts of a sentence. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. What is subject? Part of the sentence that tells what or whom the sentence is about. What is predicate? Part of the sentence that tells what the subject in the sentence is doing. For example, Holi is my favorite festival. Here Holi is subject and is my favorite festival. The rest part of the sentence is predicate. Shut up. This is predicate part and here the subject you always remains omitted. The head word of a subject is noun or pronoun and the head word of a predicate part is the verb. Next, kinds of sentence. Sentences are of four kinds, assertive or declarative. It makes a statement and it can be in both affirmative and negative form. She is a good dancer, affirmative. She is not a good dancer, negative. Then interrogative. It asks a question. What is his name? WH question. Is he Ramesh? Yes, not a question. C. Imperative. It makes order, request, command, advice, etc. For example, shut the door. It's an order. Obey your parents' advice. Then exclamatory. It expresses strong emotion. For example, hurrah, we won the match. Alas, he is no more. Next, types of sentences. Sentences are of three types, simple, compound, and complex. Let's discuss one by one. First, simple sentence. It contains a subject and a predicate. It has a finite verb in its predicate part. It is called an independent clause also. For example, they played cricket. Here, played is the finite verb, they is the only subject, and played cricket is the predicate part. I like pizza. Here, like is the only finite verb. Then, compound sentence. It contains two or more independent clauses. Clauses are joined by coordinating conjunctions. For example, he went to the park but did not go to the zoo. Here, but is an coordinating conjunction. Another example, they played football and hockey. Here, and is also an coordinating conjunction. Next, complex sentence. It contains an independent clause and a dependent clause. Dependent clause begins with a subordinate conjunction. You can't get success unless you work hard. Here, unless is a subordinate conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions are used to make compound sentences. Those are and but yet still, or for so beside, therefore nevertheless or else. Some relative coordinators either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions will help you to identify complex sentences before, after, although, because, when, whenever, if, since, unless, while, so that, even though, wherever, etc. Next point is every word of a sentence has its own identity. Those are known as parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Let's sum up today's class. What did we learn? First sentence, then parts of sentence, kinds of sentence, types of sentence, conjunctions, names of parts of speech, etc.